Hey there, young readers and parents. Welcome to our channel where we make reading fun and easy for kids. Have you ever felt like reading is a bit tricky? Well, don't worry. We're here to help you become a reading superstar. Today, we're going to practice some beginner reading skills together. Are you ready to dive into the wonderful world of words? Let's get started. We'll start with 3-letter words that are easy to sound out. Can you read these words with me? Cat, dog, sun, hat. Great job. Let's try a few more. Pig, run, fun, sit. Now, let's put these words into short sentences. The cat sat on the hat. Can you read that sentence? Let's try another one. The dog can run and have fun. Excellent work. Let's move on to slightly longer words. We'll break them down into syllables to make them easier to read. Rabbit. This word has 2 syllables. Rab-bet. Can you say it with me? Rab-bit. Let's try another one. Butterfly. This word has 3 syllables. Butter. Fly. Say it with me. Butter. Fly. Now, let's practice reading a short story together. I'll read it first, and then you can try. Sam the cat likes to play. He runs in the sun all day. Sam sees a big red ball. He jumps up to catch it, but he is too small. Sam's friend, the dog, comes to help. Together, they get the ball and have fun. Great job reading that story. Let's talk about what happened in it. Who is the main character? What does Sam like to do?
Play!
What problem did Sam have? How did Sam solve the problem? By the help of his friend. Great job. Now, let's play a fun game to practice our reading skills. I'll show you a picture and you try to read the word that matches it. Are you ready? What word is this?
Cat.
Correct. Let's do a few more. What word is this?
Dog.
Fabulous. What word is this?
Bowl.
Correct. What word is this?
Sun.
Correct. What word is this?
Hat.
Correct. Remember, it's okay if you don't get every word right away. Reading takes practice, and you're doing great. Here's a tip to help you become an even better reader. Try reading for a little bit every day. It could be a book, a sign, or even the words on your cereal box. The more you practice, the easier it gets. Wow, you've done an amazing job today. You've read words, sentences, and even a short story. Give yourself a big pat on the back. Remember, reading is like any other skill. The more you practice, the better you get. Keep reading, and soon you'll be zooming through books like a pro. Did you have fun reading with us today? If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun reading practice. Thanks for joining us, and happy reading. Join us next week Thursday for another great video like this one.